Looking for a quick, easy and absolutely delicious breakfast idea? Then you are going to love this liquid dough onion paratha. No kneading, no rolling, just mix, pour and cook. It's soft on the inside, crispy on the outside. Perfect for those busy mornings and lazy evenings when you want to make something comforting and homemade. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tstove Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. First, take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder. These simple ingredients will give the paratha a mild yet tasty base flavor. Mix everything well using a whisk. Start pouring water little by little into the flour mixture while mixing continuously. We have to make a smooth pourable batter, not too thick, not too runny. Think of a pancake batter consistency. Keep mixing until there are no lumps left. Once the liquid dough is ready, it's time to add flavor. Next, add 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves. Now add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion to the batter. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of chilli flakes. Now mix everything together. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Heat a non-stick pan on low flame. Once warm, brush some oil. Take a ladle full of batter and gently pour into the center of the pan. Let it spread. Don't make it too thick. A thin layer cooks better, gets crispier. Let it cook on low flame for 1 or 2 minutes. Once the bottom side is golden and the top looks dry, carefully flip it. Now lightly brush some oil. Continue cooking the other side on low flame until it's golden brown and crispy. When both sides are perfectly cooked, remove the paratha from the pan. Friends, there are more easy and delicious recipes on my channel. You can watch them. I hope you will like the recipes. Serve it with yogurt, pickle or any dip you like. This onion paratha is light, crispy and full of flavor. Perfect for breakfast or a quick evening nashta. It's so easy to make and you will love the unique texture. And just like that, our crispy, flavorful liquid dough onion paratha is ready to serve. It's light, comforting and comes together in minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you friends for watching the recipe.